Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are going to start the first session about Java. So initially you have to go to File, New Project, and call it from Java Application. Let's rename it to our Basic Practice Session 2. And we have to create always a main class because this is the one that is executable for the very first time. Let's finish. Okay, now your project is created. Okay, so over here, let me close this one so you can close all other irrelevant projects. Okay, now this is the one that the file we are going to work with. Okay, so let's start with very basic session of System.out.println. And what we are going to do, we are going to print student name, ID, and age. Okay, so let's start. How to print? The first command that we learned is System.out.println. Okay, and whatever is you want to print, you can put in double quotes, and you can write the student name Badr has an ID with and his age is 20. Okay, this is one way. You, in order to run the program, you just need to right click here and say run file. One way. Okay, so see, this is being printed. Um, Other way is go run and run project. It will run the main file. Okay, let's go back. And if you see, it's very hard to read with the line. So what you can do, you can press enter anywhere in order to take or keep the things in line, but the output will be same. Okay, let's do another way, second way to print. Okay, so let's try to make age come from variable. So we can define age. Int age is equal to, let's say, 19 or 18. And let's try to do system.out. The shortcut for doing system.out.println is sout tab. So you can say the student name Badr, or we can make it now other Ahmed has an ID 2189, enter, and his age is. Now, in order to get the variable value, you have to go out from your double quote sign, then add plus for the concatenation and write the variable name. So you will get an output of the, the variable value. You can run it. If you can see, his age is appearing as 18. Okay, you can put more gap using just a space. Okay, third way, we can do the string. We can do with the string, such as let's define string student name is equal to, you have to put a string in double quotes, let's say Aziz, and let's try to do the printing for these. So S out tab, the student name plus student name. In order to start another string, you have to add another plus, and then for the concatenation, and then you can write has an ID, whatever. Okay, you can press enter, and sorry, and his age is plus age. This way you can get two variables out. Right click, run file, see. Okay, so this is how you can use System.out in multiple ways. Now let's write a program to find the sum of two numbers and do other mathematical operations. In order to create a new class in the same package, right click, new Java class. Okay, this Java class, let's name it practice sum. Okay, here there is no main method. In order to create a main method, you can write public static void main string args, and here your brackets start and end. Now once you write it, see currently with this there is a green function that means the symbol means that it has main class, while there is no not over here. Just press Ctrl S to get that shows that there is a main class here. I'll try to remove the comments from here. Okay, before starting, comments are very necessary thing. So in order to do the single line comment, this double backslash is used, and for paragraph comment you use star slash ends up with. You need to remember this. So let's write this program will add two numbers and print its value. Okay, so let's try to do the sum. For sum, obviously, you can do in multiple ways. Let's do the first way. First is System.out.println. Let's find the sum for 3 plus 4. The sum of 3 plus 4 is equal to, how to print? Okay, these are the double quote means everything is printed as is, as a string. So in order to do the mathematical operation, first of all start the concatenation operation and then do a bracket for the mathematical operation and just write, let's say, any mathematical equation like 3 plus 4. If you want to find, you can run it and see, you will get an output like 3 plus 4 equal 7. Okay, this is first way. Second way, you can declare two variable like int first number, int second number. This is declaration of int variable, where int is data type and first number is variable name. And what is variable? Anything that can change its value is called as variable. Let's try to initialize, assign values, assign value to the variable first number and second number. As already explained, int will only contain the integer values. There is no decimal value that can come in int. So you can consider int as a floor function or a trimmer for all kind of floating values or point values or decimal values. So let's try to do first underscore number is equal to 34. Each statement of Java should end with a semicolon. If you don't put a semicolon, you must get an error. Okay. Okay. Second number is equal to, let's say, 4. Okay. Now let's try to do in print. So out the sum of two numbers 34 plus 4 is, so how to do, concat start the operational bracket parenthesis and write the equation 34 plus 4. So we should get an output called as 30. Third way is that we can calculate the sum first and then do the print in this way. Like I can say that int result sum is equal to first, okay, first of all, so over here either you can do in this way or the better way. Now in order to get the values, you will do first number plus second underscore number to take always the values that are being changed here. Okay, so let's go back and try to do the third way, that is to calculate the first term and then do the print. So let me declare the variable for int called as int result underscore sum. Let result sum, obviously if you want to add two numbers, so you have to do first underscore number plus second underscore number, these two, and then now you can print the result of, let's do in a better way, first underscore number plus, let's do this plus in a better way, plus second underscore number, let's do is equal to, okay, let's do here is equal to result underscore sum. So now let's try to print, and you will see the same result but with as an equation, like see 34 plus 4 is equal to 38. Okay, similarly we can subtract two numbers. For subtraction the symbol will be minus. Okay, so you can do like this, int, let's do the subtraction, or we can say difference. So int result difference. Okay, we can initialize the value, or we should initialize the value with 0 as a start so that it is well known. Okay, now let's try to find the result difference is equal to, let's say it is first number minus second number. Easy. So then you do the result of difference is, you can say, plus result underscore difference. Okay, so you can run it. See, 34 minus 4 obviously is 30, so we got the printing done. Similar way you can calculate the product. Int result product is equal to 0. Here we declare and initialize together. Okay, so let result product is equal to first underscore number plus second underscore number. Okay, let's print out the product. Let's print the product. Okay, so let's start with product like this, first underscore number plus, so the product symbol is star. Okay, result product, so product symbol will be star here. Star second underscore number plus equal to. Okay, so we will do the result score product. So we can calculate the product in this way. Let's run. So see, the product will be appearing like this, and 34 times 4 is 136. Java class. Okay, let's keep it small. Always the class name should be capital, but I'm keeping it small. So practice double arithmetic, I call it, and let's finish. The class name should be start with a capital letter, but I put it like this way. So in order to change, right click, refactor, rename, or Control R, just to press refactor, and bye bye. Here you're done. Okay, so let's do the arithmetic with double. So in order to do, I'm going to declare three variable called as integer first number. Let's declare in one line. Second number, you can declare like this even, or you can declare in a separate line like result underscore sum, one by one. Double result underscore difference, double result underscore product, double result underscore div, and double result underscore modulus. So here we are going to perform a couple of things. We can initialize variable over here like this. Please, you cannot know. If you do like this, it will work, but this will work only for second number. It will not work for one number. So don't do the assignment operations like this. Okay, don't assign in multiple declaration. With for this, what you can do like this: result underscore sum is equal to result underscore difference is equal to result underscore product is equal to result underscore div is equal to 0. Let's assign all of them as 0. First thing that is left is main method. So where is our main method? Public. Okay, it's very hard to write public static void main. So why don't we show the shortcut psvm tab? This is your public static void main method is done. Copy, sorry, cut and paste. Here you are done. Okay, so result div. Let me change the variable name. Okay, and done. You're done with it. So so now this is initialization or multiple assignment. Assignment operator works from right to left, so 0 will be assigned to result to div and so on. Now let's try to calculate the sum. Okay, so first underscore number is equal to, let's say, 10. Second underscore number is equal to 4. Let the value be point. Let it be 2.5 and this to be 4.0 as a decimal value we are operating. So let's try to calculate the sum. Result sum is equal to first number plus second number. This is for two number addition. Okay, we can do with the subtraction. So just double click here, copy, double click, paste, double click, copy, double click, paste, and you can replace it by minus difference and star, and in similar way, um, okay, two number difference, two number product. Okay, let's do for the division and modulus. So for division modulus, that will tell you what is remainder. Okay, so what is the operator for division? It is backward slash one time, and for the modulus you have to put the percentage sign. This is modulus operator. Okay, so let's store in different variable. Okay, so here we are done. Now let's try to print out one by one each of them. So how to do it? So s out the sum of first underscore number. What's the error? You have to concat, you have to concat again, and you have to do like this. You have to do add, you have to do second underscore number. Let me do this. Second number. What was the first thing? Is called as result underscore sum. Okay, let's try to do this. So this is how you will do printing for the sum. You can also do for the difference. Just you need to do, okay, and and replace sum with, and in similar way you can do the, okay, so it will be done like this. So let's try to execute file. So see, 2.5, 6.5, minus 1.5, 10.0, and 0.625, and 2.5 is the remainder. You can practice with other numbers, like you can change this value to, let's say, 12.5, or let it be 12 and 4, and let's try to execute. So still it will work, and these are the, because 4 is completely divisible by 12, so you got this.